Market penetration index used to be called occupancy index. It's very similar to ARI, or average rate index, in that it's an important measurement, but it really can't stand alone. So market penetration index compares our occupancy to our competitors. So it's comparing how well we filled our building to our competitors. But as a perfect example, I could fill my building for free every single day. Therefore, I could always exceed my competitor's occupancy. So I could have a market penetration index that's always above my fair share. But if I filled it for free, clearly, financially, we're not performing very well. So it's an important measurement, but it's really got to be taken in conjunction with average rate index at the same time. And it measures, again, how well we utilize the perishable product on any given day.